Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform a phone setup on VIVO Y28. So here you have to select your language and then click Start. Now you have to select your location and then you have to click Next. And here you have to agree to your user license and then click Next. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi or you can click Setup Offline and then click Continue. And here you have to agree to Google services and then click Accept. Now you can set screen log method or you can click Skip. And here you can keep your system updated or you can click Install manually. And now you can decide if you want to send diagnostic data or you can just click Disagree. Now you have to select your system navigation method and then click Next. And now click Get Started. And as you can see, now I'm in my Android system, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.